Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term for $10 bill. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, for $10 bill is a slang phrase referring to something priced or exchanged for a $10 bill. People use it when talking about paying or valuing something at that specific amount. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. For $10 bill first showed up in informal American English slang. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among casual speakers and street vendors. Now let's check out how to use for $10 bill in a sentence. Correct example 1. I bought this cool hat for $10 bill at the street market yesterday. Correct example 2. Hey, can you grab me that snack for $10 bill? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said for $10 bill at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using for $10 bill right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. For $10 bill means a slang phrase referring to something priced or exchanged for a $10 bill. It started in informal American English slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with for $10 bill in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.